Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing good. So let's start the today's topic. We are going to learn today lesson number 2.3. The topic name is operation with polynomials. Let's revise what is polynomial. So anything in the form of, let us suppose, an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2, like this, something like this is written, so it is known as polynomial. Okay, so if there is only one term, so it is monomial. Okay, if two terms is there, then binomial. Monomial, for example, let us suppose I am writing here 3x. okay, binomial, if I am writing 3x square plus 5, so you can see one term and two terms, so binomial. Okay, there are certain things which is very important to be a polynomial. When we are talking about the power, so here n must be greater than equal to 0, the first thing is, and n cannot be equal to 1 by like p by q, in the form of p by q. For example, 1 by 3 or 2 by 3, it should not be like this. Okay, I hope you understood. So I'm taking one example also. For example, if I'm telling that 2x to the power minus 3, I'm writing here plus 5. I want to check that this is the polynomial, yes or no. So because here it is written minus 3 and I am telling n should be greater than 0, so it is not a polynomial. In the same way, if I am writing 2x square plus root x plus 5, okay, so root x means how much? You know, root x means 1 by 2 plus 5. Now because here the power is coming in fraction, so it also not a polynomial. I hope you have understood how to check this is polynomial, yes or no. Okay, coming back to the question now. So here the first question, it is telling that I want to find out whether this is the polynomial, yes or no. So first of all, I will be checking the degree. So here the power is 2, here power is 1, it is positive also and it is greater than 0 also, so it is a polynomial. So I will be writing here polynomial. For this one, how to solve this one? I will expand this one, so I can write 5np and down I can write n square as n times of n, yes, minus 2g, and here it is written h. So now n and n will get cancelled, here n will come down, n will go up, so I can write 5n to the power minus 1 p minus 2g h to the power minus 1. Now because minus is coming here and I told you the power should be always greater than equal to 0, so this is not a polynomial. I hope you have understood this one. Okay, now we are going to do plus and minus for the polynomial. Okay, this is same as we are doing in the algebra. You have already done in the previous classes, in the small classes like grade 7, grade 8. You have finished this one. So let's start this one. So I will be opening the bracket. Okay, so I can write here 6a square plus 5a plus 10, minus will go inside, so it will give you minus 4a square, then minus 6a minus 12. Now I will be using the like term. Like term will be added or subtracted. So 6a square minus 4a square will give you 2a square. Okay, then I will be checking the next one. Here it is written, I will be changing the color, just give me a minute. Let us suppose I am taking black. So here plus 5a and here minus 6a. So plus 5a minus 6a will give you minus a. Okay, again I am changing the color. So let us suppose I am changing the color with this one. Okay, now I will be talking about the constant. So plus 10 and minus 12, so it will give you minus 2. Okay, so this is your answer. What is at the last you have got that 2a square. Your answer is 2a square minus a minus 2. I hope you have understood. This is the easy one. There is nothing to do extra. Same way I will be doing this one. So let's start with changing with the color. So I'm using the black one. So I will be opening the bracket. So 2f square, okay, minus 3f minus 5, then I will do minus 2f square minus 3f plus 8. Okay, further solve it. I will be checking the like term. So minus on minus, it will be plus, so you can write 4f square Now minus 3f and minus 3f, again it will be plus, so minus I can write 6f, and I will be adding the numbers now. So for the numbers I will be doing like this: minus 5 plus 8 will give you plus 3. So this is going to be our answer. So now we are ready to do the next question. So let's start with the next question. This time we have to do multiply. Simple multiply is there, which you have already done in the previous classes in the algebra 1. Same way you are going to do. So let us suppose I am changing the color. So I will multiply 3p firstly with this one. So I am writing here 3p multiplied by NP, okay, and then 3p will go this side also, so minus 3p times of z. Okay, so only one number is there, so I'll be writing 3, I will be writing n, and 2 times p is there, so power 1 and power 1. I know that if a to the power n times of a to the power m is there, if multiply is there, so power are going to be added, n plus m. So same way I'm using 1 plus 1, it will be 2, z, p to the power 2 minus, here it will be 3pz. Finish. Next one, firstly I will multiply with this one the whole, and then I will multiply this one the whole. So let's start. 2x times of 3x minus 5, and then it is written minus, so I will be writing here minus, then 3 times of 3x minus 5. Further solve it, so it will give you 6x square. I am directly writing 2 5s are 10, so 10x it will give you, minus 3 3s are 9x, and this minus will give you plus, so it will be 15. Now I'm going to add the like terms. So what are the like terms? These two are the like term because the power is 1. It will be minus 19x plus 15. I hope you have understood this question also. Next one, I have already told you for this question, I have already told you a formula, if you can remember, that a minus b into a plus b is somewhere written. So this is the formula of a square minus b square. You can directly use this one. If you don't want to do directly, then you can open the bracket as we have done in the previous question. So here with the help of this formula, in place of a, x is written, and in place of b, y is written. So I can write here x square minus y square, okay. Further, it is written 2x plus y, it is remaining. Now open the bracket, okay. So I will open the bracket, so x square times of 2x plus y, and then minus is written, so minus y square times of 2x plus y. Further solve it, x, when I will multiply, so 2 and 1 will become 3, so I am directly writing 2x cube plus, it will give you x square y, multiply inside, so minus, it will give you 2, then x y square, and here multiply, so it will give you minus y cube. So this is your answer. Finished. Okay, now the last question we are ready to do. So last question, same process you are going to do. So firstly x cube I will be taking, so x cube will be multiplied by this whole, so I'm writing here 2x square minus x plus 2. Then after that I am taking minus 3x square, so I will do minus 3x square, and then again the whole, so 2x square minus x plus 2, and the last one I am doing here, that I will multiply by 1, so plus 1, and the whole thing. What is the whole thing? That 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay, now I'm going to solve. So firstly I will go with this one. So let's start. It will give you 2x to the power 5, because power 3 plus power 2 will give you 5, minus, it will give you x to the power 4 plus 2x cube. Okay, now I will be changing this one with, wait a minute, okay, now this one I'm going to do. So firstly I will multiply by minus, and then this one, so it will give you minus 3 to just 6 x to the power 4. This minus will give you plus, so it will give you 3x to the power 3, and this minus and this plus will give you minus, so 3 to just 6x square. Okay, then this one, then 1 times 2 will be 2x square minus x plus 2. Now I'm going to add the like terms. What are the like terms? So 2x power 5 is nowhere you can see x power 5, so I'll be writing here 2x power 5. Okay, then I will be checking with the x power 4. So x power 4 written here and here written. Okay, only two places written. So minus 6x square and minus x square, x power 4, it will give you minus 7 x to the power 4. Then I will search for the cube. Okay, so let's start searching for the cube one. So I am using this color, let us suppose. So here cube written x power 3, x power 3 written here. So 2 and plus 3 will give you 5 x to the power 3. Then I will be checking only for the x. Give me a minute. So where x written, so x cube done. So after x cube I will be going with the x square. So x square written here and x square written here. Further solve it, so it will give you minus 4x square. Then I am changing the color again. So let us suppose this color I am taking. So I will be checking for only x. So I can see only x is written here. So minus x and then constant 2. So this is going to be your answer. Okay, so